Hi, and welcome to day one of the 3-day Energy Reboot. I'm Dr. Brook Sheehan, and can you tell I'm so excited you're here? If you're feeling tired, sluggish, foggy, like your body's running on empty, no matter how much you sleep, how much you eat, or how many supplements you've tried, you are not alone, and you are definitely in the right place. This challenge was designed to help you reboot your energy system in just 3 days. Over the next few days, I will be sharing simple but powerful ways to help you not only regain your energy, release stubborn weight, calm inflammation, but feel fully alive again, all using my signature method, the bodyOS blueprint. So, what is the bodyOS blueprint, you ask? It's a framework I created to help you tune in to the subtle whispers of your body so that you can finally decode what's going on and give your body exactly what it needs. It's about learning to trust the wisdom built into your design by God and work with your body instead of constantly fighting against it. You see, your body is speaking all the time, but most of us just never learned how to listen. That's what we are going to start to change today. But before we dive in, let's do a quick check in. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your energy right now? Are you dragging? Are you alert? Maybe somewhere in the middle? Take a second and jot that number down in your workbook or in a notebook. And if you are participating in our community group, hop in and share your number there. I'll be checking in, and I may even highlight some of your wins in tomorrow's video. But now let's get into today's focus. Why are you so tired and what to do about it? Here's what most people don't realize. Your body is designed to make energy. It's not broken, it's not just your age, and it's not that you're lazy or unmotivated. There's definitely something deeper happening, something that's interfering with your body's energy system and slowing everything down. Think of your phone. We charge it to 100%, but when you wake up, it's already at 42% by mid morning. You're not even using it that much. So, what's really going on behind the scenes? Well, you decide to check the settings. And there's a sneaky app running in the background, draining the battery. It's been doing it all night. Your body works the exact same way. You might be eating well, sleeping decently, working out here and there. But if there are hidden energy apps running in the background, what I like to call energy leaks, they'll drain your battery before your day even gets started. Okay, so let's talk about the most common energy leaks I see, especially in high achieving women who feel like they're doing all the right things, but still feel off. Number one, blood sugar crashes. When your blood sugar swings too high and too low throughout the day, you get stuck in a roller coaster of fogginess, fatigue, cravings, irritability. Not good. Number two, poor sleep or incomplete recovery. You might be sleeping 7 to 8 hours, but if the quality is poor, your body never enters full repair mode. Number three, hidden inflammation. This could come from food sensitivities, toxins, gut imbalances, even emotional stress. Number four, chronic stress and overwhelm. If your nervous system is constantly on, your body doesn't get the signal that it's safe to rest and restore. Number five, unfinished business. Yep, that hard conversation you've been avoiding, a decision you keep putting off, or a task that keeps lingering on your mental to-do list. Those count. These open loops quietly drain your energy in the background. And when your body is dealing with any of these leaks, energy production becomes secondary because your body's priority becomes protection, not performance. It's trying to manage all of the stress, chaos, or imbalance behind the scenes. But when you start to remove these interferences, your body gets the green light to do what it was designed to do: heal, regulate, thrive. And that's where today's reset comes in. Let's flip that switch on your energy right now. I am going to walk you through a 3-step reset you can do today that has helped dozens of my patients and clients feel a noticeable difference in little as 90 minutes. Step 1: start your next meal with protein and fat. Yep, I said it. This stabilizes your blood sugar and prevents those highs and lows that wipe you out. Step 2: mineralize your water. Adding a pinch of sea salt and a little squeeze of lemon to your water, most people don't realize they are chronically dehydrated at the cellular level. And step 3, I want you to clear one of those mental energy leaks. Think about your mental to-do list. What's one thing you've been avoiding? Pick one and do it today. You're not just getting it done. You are removing a background app from your mental operating system. And when you combine all of these 3 steps, you're addressing not only the physical, the mental, and the biochemical energy drains at once. You're stabilizing your blood sugar, you're hydrating your cells, and you're freeing up the cognitive load. So here's what I want you to do after this video. Eat that protein and fat first at your next meal. Add the lemon and sea salt to your water. Clear one thing off your mental to-do list. That's it. Simple, intentional, powerful. These aren't tips. They're strategic ways to remove interference so your body can do what it was designed to do, which is to create energy and restore your balance. Now, I know you may be wondering, can something this simple really help? And the answer, of course, is a resounding yes. It works because it teaches your body a new rhythm. It sends messages to your nervous system that says it's safe to shift and you don't have to stay in survival mode. You can rest, reset, and rebuild. Tomorrow, we are going to wake up your body's natural energy engines, no caffeine required, and I'm going to walk you through a simple 5-minute flow you can do anytime your energy dips. Until then, take care of your body and it will take care of you. You've got this. I will see you tomorrow in day 2.